this tutorial on how to create dynamic campaign content using loops. Today we will learn how to use loops to generate personalized sections in our campaign by pulling data from the JSON file. So if we see in the elements, we have the loop start and loop end. These are the elements we will be using for the loops. So basically, what is a loop? In programming, loop allows you to repeat the certain block of code multiple times. In the campaign content, loops helps us to create dynamic sections like lists or tables, or we can even use the labels or lists or tables, and without having manually copy and paste the contents for each item, we can just use loop to automatically generate multiple elements based on the JSON file. For example, let's see let's see some JSON structure here. If we see, we have multiple creditor details, this is one creditor detail and second creditor details, and multiple creditors we have here. Now let's imagine if you have to manually create each section for each creditor, it will be very time consuming, and also that's when we have to use the loops. In the loops, we can create single template for each creditors for all the creditor sections, and we use the personalized tags over there, and we can repeat it for each creditor in the JSON data. So it not only saves the time but also ensures consistency and accuracy. Let's see how we use the loops. So this is the campaign design page. In the PDF elements, we can see the loop start and loop end, and we can add the simple labels inside, or we can just add a label and display the creditor name and these details, or else we can just let's add a table or else we can also add the list here. Now let's use the table, which is little complex, so I am moving it inside the loop start and loop end. So let's display all the details in the table now. If we see in the JSON, so this is what the path of the data. This comes as this will be the loop name, loop start name, and the loop end name. So if we see here, I have added the loop name as this is the path of the created details, and we can see different p tags added for each section, like creditor name, POD balance, and debt status. Now we can use a single table, and also I want to display the data in two left and right, so I have used the two tables here, not the table. Even the table we can use, so I have used the two tables here. So if we see, I have used the index as 1 in the left side and index as 2 in the right side, and we have to change the record size also, as we are using the record index 2 also here. It should be changed to 2. We can see the record size is 2, and also the creditor name, the p tag names should exactly match the names here. So let's save this and see how it looks. Let's run this campaign. Let's save the PDF. So if we see, we can see the data in the left tables and the right tables here. Let's keep the JSON and the PDF side by side. If we see, we can see the first details in the left section and the second index details in the right section, and vice versa. You can see all the details left and right tables. Now let's do one thing. Let's add the single table now. Now we can see we have only one table here, and the record index is 1. So as we don't have any other table, we will be having only record index as 1, and even here we should change it to the record size to 1 actually. Now it is changed to 1. Let's save this and see how it looks in the PDF. Now if we see in the PDF, we have a single table and we got all the data in. So this is how the loops works, and the record size is like the record index is like, record index is the size we specify, like, if we have one table we will give only one, we have two tables we'll give two, and index is the index, like, in for. So this record index is just like the position, like, from which we have to pull data in the loop, as we have only one table, like, we are giving it as one. So yeah, this is how we use the loops. We can dynamically generate campaign content based on the data from the JSON file. So yeah, thanks for watching.